Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be talking about the next two seasons. In yesterday's class, we have talked about summer and winter, and I told you that these are the longest and you can say the two important seasons in Pakistan because we have for most of the time we have summer and then winter. Spring and autumn they last only for a few months, right? But yes, they are in Pakistan, so definitely we will talk about that as well. So in today's class, the two seasons that we will be covering are spring and autumn. Okay, so today's class would be more of colorful with flowers, fruits, vegetables, etc. So without wasting any time, let's talk about the differences between spring and autumn. And before moving over there, I want you to tell me the name of any seasonal fruit that you like. This is not compulsory that it should be from the spring and autumn. You can tell me any seasonal fruit which you like and tell me in which season it is found. Okay, so ready to tell me. Okay, let's start with Vase. Yes, Vase, which is your favorite fruit? It's mango. And when do we have mangoes? In summer, right? Okay. Okay, yes, Eliza, which is your favorite fruit? Oranges. And when do we have it? In winters. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, Sarah. You love watermelon. And when do we have it? In summer. Okay. So, let's ask Ahmad as well. Yes, Ahmad, which is your favorite fruit? You like cherries? Okay. And when do we have cherries? In winters. Okay. Yes. Who is left? Okay. Yes, Amna. Strawberries. And when do we have strawberries? In spring, before the summer arrives. We have like, and now it's May, so the strawberries, we don't find strawberries now in the markets and in the bazaar, right? Previously, we have it. So we have the strawberries in spring season. It starts from the end of February, then we can find it in March and April, and now it have gone. Okay, so and well, my favorite fruit is again strawberries. I love strawberry shakes. I love strawberry desserts. So yes, whenever strawberries come, I just bought them and I store them in my freezer for making milkshakes because I just love them. Okay. And yes, I love mangoes as well. But strawberries have their own position. Okay, so let's move forward. We will also discuss about the seasonal fruits, and because in today's class we will be talking about spring season, so in spring we have the wonderful flowers, the wonderful greenery around us. So we will learn about the name of flowers as well. Okay, so before moving forward, I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video related to Okay, there is this video related to the season. So let's watch it together first and then we will move forward. Okay, show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. Okay.
The kinds of weather. Let's discuss winters. Winters are cold, but they're beautiful. It has snow, but the weather is really cold. It's hard to go outside. So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters. Then we have summers. Summers are hot, sunny, shiny, and playful. We all go out, go for festivals, beaches, and parks because summers are hot and sunny.
Okay. So let's move forward and let's learn about what is autumn and what is spring. So there is this interesting picture which basically tells us about the. Can you tell me which season it is? Okay, how many of you know that the other name for autumn season is fall? How many of you know this? Raise your hands. Okay, so a few of you know. Why do we call autumn as fall as well? Because the leaves fall from the trees. Very well done. So autumn is also known as fall season. Why? Because all of the leaves and all of the flowers, everything fell from the trees. The trees get, and everywhere you can find the dry orange leaves on the road. And I love walking on the dry leaves. There is this beautiful voice that come, and it's just a wonderful feeling. I love walking in the on the roads which have the dry leaves on both sides of it. And okay, so let's move forward. So this picture basically depicts the autumn season. Autumn season is about, as I told you, that it's a very dry season. The trees fell from the leaves fell from the trees, and we do not have any greenery around. Similarly, we do not have any flowers, and it's a total dry season. Okay, so now if we talk about the characteristics of the autumn season or the fall season, these are some of the characteristics. Well, they have written this, that fall, which is also called autumn, is the time of the year between summer and winter. Like when the summer is going, so when summer will end around August, September. So the autumn will start. When fall arrives, the nights become longer. The leaves on the trees begin to change its color. First, the leaves changes their color. They turn to orange color, brown color, and then they fell to yellow, brown, and red. And the weather becomes cooler, right? Fall tends to have little rain but can be windy. Why it is windy? Because during that the leaves fell from the trees, right? And this time of year is when you need to start dressing in warmer clothes. We start wearing warmer clothes. We started from a little warmer clothes. Some of you take strollers on your head. Some of you wear some light socks as well, right? But we don't abruptly move toward the sweaters and overcoats and long boots, no, right? We just start preparing to welcome the winter. So it is the time of the year when we start making preparations to welcome the winters. Okay. So, if as compared to this, now if we talk about the spring season, spring is a very refreshing season, and I think it's everybody's favorite. It's the season between winter and summer. Like the autumn was between summer and winter, it is between winter and summer. So, when winter will end, like in the February, so the spring will start and it will remain in March and April. And when most plants begin to grow, you find greenery all around you. Trees have the new green leaves on it. Similarly, we found beautiful flowers. We have fresh fruits, vegetables as well. Warm air and a lot of rain. So during spring, we have warm air and a lot of rain. Rain is very suitable for this season as well, because when it does not rain, the trees and plants, they do not have leaves, and right, we do not have that much greenery around. Similarly, rain jacket, capri plants, these are Easter. These are the things which is related to spring season. We have this festival, and if we talk about the fun activities, people go for gardening, playing outdoors, because the season is very suitable. You can easily go outside. It's not hot and it's not cold as well. Something mid in between the cold and hot, right? So that is why we prefer going out. We prefer outdoor activities, and spring is considered as the beautiful season of the year as compared to the other ones. Okay, now let's move forward and we will talk about some of the seasonal uh, fruits and vegetables that we have, and we will also learn about the name of the flowers that we have in spring season. So let me show you the name of the flowers first. Okay, these are the common flowers that we have in spring season. See, this girl has made this beautiful chart, and you might have seen these flowers around you. This is tulip. Then we have these daffodils. Daffodils are very common. Then we have these poppy flowers. Sunflowers are also very common. These cherry blossoms we found on trees. Then we have these snowdrop. They're very beautiful. Roses again very common. You found it in your garden. Then we have these bluebells. Then we have this orchid, we have iris, we have peony. Then we have these dandelion are also very common. Daisy is again very common. Um, Lotus is not common. Then we have these water lilies. Then we have these geranium, and lily is again common. You found it around you in the spring season, right? So these are some of the colorful, beautiful flowers that we can find around us in the spring season. Okay, now before ending the class, I'm going to show you the chart which tells us about the all of the seasonal fruits and vegetables that we have, or let's say the common one. So if we talk about the spring, we have the pineapples, we have the apples, banana, and few vegetables as well, right? Summer is famous for mangoes and watermelons. We have other vegetables as well, but I think these vegetables are not. Yes, well, I love cucumber as well, and but the yes, but mostly children do not like these vegetables, right? Then in fall we have grapes. Grapes are everybody's favorite. You don't like chilies, and you don't like capsicum as well, right? Then in winter, we have yes, we have the melons, we have the oranges. Winter is famous for oranges and carrots, red carrots, right? Okay, so these are some of the seasonal fruits and vegetables. What is your home assignment that you are supposed to make a similar chart showing the seasonal fruits and vegetables? If I have missed any, you will talk about that as well. Do search first it on Google and then make a chart talking about the seasonal fruits and vegetables and bring it to the class tomorrow so that I can have a look on it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. That was all for today. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.